It's another tutorial today. I'll be taking us on how to create a calendar table using Power BI. Firstly, you need to get your data into the Power BI. You can do that by clicking on Get Data from your Home tab. You can click on Excel Workbook or Data Flows. You can click from the web. You can choose from CSV. I've actually loaded my data here. So click on Modeling. Click on New Table. So I'll be renaming my table as calendar. Your inputs are formula, add column, calendar auto, close the brackets, the comma, and start with a quotes month number. So we're actually creating a column now. There's the quotes, comma, month, and the date. Automatically, once you have a calendar auto, there's an inbuilt date already in it. Okay, close the brackets, put a comma, create another column for month, close the quotes, compute your format, into dates, comma, then with another quote. This is format and how I want our month's name to look like. I want it to be in full, that is January instead of just Jan. The comma, starting with another quote for our year. Our year. So these are another quotes. The year. In our inbuilt dates, close the brackets, close brackets. So this is how to create a calendar table. The add column is to add other columns to it, that is our month number, our month, and our year. This auto, a calendar auto means a whole date in a particular data. So what you do is just to click on Enter to create a calendar table. So you have it here. So you go to our table view to view our table is our calendar table. We have the date that was created from calendar auto. We have the month number. We have the months and the year. Okay, what you do is just to click on the month number to actually automatically sort your month name in the correct order. That is, you'll be having it from January to December. So you're having your data visualized as January, September, December, October, scattered. Okay, so we have once we click on our month number, you can see two additional tabs. We have table tools and column tools. So you're clicking on our column tools, then click on sort by column, then click on month number. Okay, so this is actually sorted now. So I'm going to our model view to actually link our data to our fact table. So here's our dimension table as calendar. So our months here will link it to our dates by dragging it and dropping it. Once you see that plus sign, and to show new relationship tab. Okay, we can see that this is actually well linked. Our months here in our sales fact table and our dates in our calendar table. Then click on save. So like it is now connected. Let me see. So let's go to our report view to create a visualization on how our calendar table can appear. Okay, I'll be using clustered column charts. Okay. So in my y-axis, I'm dragging our revenue from our sales table. And my x-axis, I'll be taking in my date from my calendar table. Okay. you'll notice that this is well aligned in months, so we can see it from January, February to December. So what I'll be needing here is just my month. Okay, so can you see it's well aligned? Also, this kind of thing actually helps you to create other time periods, like you have a month to date, year to date, revenue to targets, year to date. And that's what helps us to enhance our data visualization. That'll be all for today's tutorial. See you some other time. Can you like, share, subscribe to my channel? Bye.